Hey guys, John from Bonnet Pro. I'm not going to do a cleaning video, but I am going to do a demonstration, explanation type video. So we cleaned this job with nanoMAXX Apex, fantastic product, 1 ounce to about 2 gallons to 3 gallons of water. We're in a very large manufacturing facility. These are the bonnets that came out of that. Again, 1 ounce to over 2 gallons of water. And at the end of this, I want to ask you how old you think this carpet is. So we use the nanoMAXX. We're going to put down a coat of Guardian protector. We didn't need the oxy spotter. So typically we do this job once or twice a year. We're now going to do it 4 times a year. But one thing I want you to notice, and this is off the main entranceway, this carpet is nylon. It's a very light color. It's a nice pattern. And what you're not noticing is traffic lanes going into the offices, into the meeting room, into one of the owner's offices. Very nice place, counting room. Some of these marks here are shadows that are hitting a corner of a desk. And this place is in really good shape. And if you saw the size of the manufacturing facility, they make all of the displays for the high-end grocery stores and food outlets and whatnot. I'll show you a picture of that in a minute in one of the owner's offices. But if you look at all these cubicles, they are in nice shape. Even coming off from the manufacturer's floor, there's some break rooms back there and some different things. But in general, once I tell you the age of the carpet, I think you're going to be blown away. And this is bonnet cleaning. I have not extracted this place. These are all the sample materials for the stuff that they make. And I have not extracted this place, I don't believe, ever. And it is in really nice shape. So I bonnet clean it. Again, right now I'm using Apex, put down Guardian Green afterwards. These are some of the displays that they make here. So they make all of these things off the walls and the cabinets and really high-end stuff for a variety of different stores. So how old do you think this carpet is? It's almost 20 years old. And with the right, and this is the entrance, back to the entrance here, with the right maintenance program, with the right products, you can get a substantial amount of life with low moisture carpet cleaning. I don't have any problems with hot water extraction. I did it for years. It's a great tool, but this is much faster. I have approximately an hour and 10 minutes on the nanoMAXX in this job. I had 2 people vacuum. There was 45 minutes each, and it's going to take me 15-20 minutes maybe to spray down the Guardian. So I'm going to have about my personal time, about an hour and 40 minutes in here, and it's an $850 bill. So really easy money, especially putting down the Guardian. The customer's really happy, do the owner's house as well, and really, really nice results in a very busy location using the low moisture system. This was the job we just did from off the wall. That is some dirty water. Soaking these in a new bonnet wash and some Oxyol. And I let them swish around for a little bit, but using hot water, I'm going to let this sit for an hour or 2. These are